discuss about audiology. Let me give a brief introduction of myself. My name is Dr. Atif. I'm a graduate of Colleges Medical College, Bahawalpur, and I have done my master's in audiology from University of Manchester, UK. I also have certification of clinical competence from Manchester. So today we will discuss what audiology services are being provided at the University of Lahore. So let me introduce you to our honorable guest today. So today we have Dr. Atif Ikram. Dr. Atif Ikram is an American board certified. He is also a fellow of American Academy of Audiology. He has done his AUD, which is equivalent to PhD from USA, and he is head of department at the University of Lahore Teaching Hospital. So he mainly deals with the audiology at University of Lahore. Dr. Atif is also a graduate of Allahabad Medical College, Lahore. Thank you, Dr. Atif, for giving us your time. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Sir, कैसे हैं आप? Sir, thank you for giving us your precious time. सर आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर में जो आप लोग ऑडियोलॉजी की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रही हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लिनिकल फैसिलिटीज और जो टीचिंग प्रोग्राम आप लोग रन कर रहे हैं. सो सर उससे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज ऑडियोलॉजी?
Basically, audiology is a field, it's a clinical science in which basically 4 areas are dealt with. Number 1 is hearing, number 2 is vertigo, जिसको उर्दू में कहते हैं सर्च कराना, और third is tinnitus, कानों में शां वगैरह की आवाज़ें आती हैं. और fourth, अगर audiologist is a medical doctor, they can sometimes diagnose and treat ear infections. But generally, audiology is described as a science which deals with hearing, vertigo, tinnitus, non-medically, because most of the audiologists are not do not have a medical degree.
So very much well defined, because audiology जो है it's an emerging field in our country and people they are not aware of the scope of practice. Okay, sir, अगला question मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी. Can you tell us what is the admission criteria for audiology, for BSc audiology at the University of Lahore?
Yes, the University of Lahore is one of the pioneers in offering BS audiology programs here, and with one of the best faculties that is available. The main criterion for getting admission to the BS audiology program is FSC pre-medical, Faculty of Science pre-medical, and the marks should be at least about 50%. And then obviously we go by the merit list, and then we add the seats available, and then we make the admission report.
So, please tell us about the scope of practice. जो हमारे young generation जो है, who are interested in audiology, so what will be the scope of practice, and क्या jobs available होंगी, and what would be the areas of practice?
Yes, this is a very important question, because obviously people don't know about audiology, and I've served, I've done my AUD and board certification in audiology in the United States. Spent 20 years over there. And I can tell you from my experience that today audiology is in the top 10 professions of the world. Why? Because it is one of the most earning professions for professionals. The average in America and in Canada is they start around $70,000 to $75,000 per year in America and Canada.
In terms of salary or
Salary. So, and then you come to Pakistan. In Pakistan, and even in America, there is shortage of audiologists right now. So in Pakistan, because very few facilities are available for academic qualifications. So obviously there is shortage, and there are technicians who are doing this work instead of the audiologists doing it. And for Pakistanis, it's sky's the limit. You can earn as much as you want to in private practice, because we have you can we dispense hearing aids. We also do cochlear implants for children who are cannot hear at all, and all those are facilities which are not available. So people and the parents spend a lot of money on that. Secondly, the other settings that they have are tertiary care hospitals, and even now in DHQs, every DHQ has an audiologist, and some THQs, bigger THQs, the C headquarters also have audiologists. Moreover, there is academically they can be placed in universities settings, and as I said before, that they can have a private practice as well, and function as an independent clinical practitioner in various settings.
Okay, so it means cardiology is quite thriving in Pakistan, and there are many opportunities for our graduates and the younger generation who are interested to focus. Sir, please tell us about the faculty members at the University of Lahore. What are the main, who are the main faculty members?
Basically, as I said, we have the best faculty available in Pakistan. I teach myself. I'm a PhD in audiology. Then we have very able, because audiology and speech language pathology are related. So we have a very learned and a person who's done a lot of research in these fields, Dr. Sikandar Rayas Khan, who is head of Department of Rehabilitation Sciences. He is a PhD in speech language pathology. He is also on the faculty, and in audiology, Dr. Shafiq Asghar, who has also done PhD like me, and is the most senior audiologist in Pakistan. He is also on our faculty.
So good to know that we have so much capable members amongst our faculty. So, sir, what are clinical facilities are available?
We have you also teach over there. You are MS in audiology from Manchester, and then two more MS audiologists, Madam Azmat and Hadia Sultana. They are also part of our team. And moreover, even the ones that have done just BSc, they are also very well qualified, and we have a very rich faculty to teach our students.
So, sir, I would rush to our next question. What clinical facilities are available for our students?
Yes. Another very important question, because 70% in my opinion is academic, 70% is clinical and 30% is academics. But obviously you have to have good academic background to do clinical work. So based on that, and having experience from the United States, we have set up the state-of-the-art audiology facility in University of Lahore Teaching Hospital for the University of Lahore students, and where we have, if people who are aware about audiology, we have proton audiometry, tympanometry, ABR, in which we test children who and infants cannot even tell us whether they hear or not. ABR, ASSR, and otoacoustic emissions, which is one of the premier tools about screening of hearing. And moreover, we are adding now a VNG, which is state-of-the-art machine that we have for balance function testing and treating vertigo. So we also do PEMP over there, which is a test for vestibular evoked myogenic potential, which is also a test for vertigo. So all the tests that are available in America are, alhamdulillah, available in University of Lahore Teaching Hospital and University of Lahore Clinic.
Okay. So if I summarize all of this, so it means we have facilities for the adult testing, for the pediatric testing, and now we have introduced facilities for the balance, and which in medical terms we call the type. Sir, I have also heard that University of Lahore is offering scholarship for the fresh graduates. Can you please tell us more about it?
Yes, we have a scholarship program for new entrants, and that is based on the FSE marks that they have, and the top three students who have the most score in FSE get 100% scholarship for education at University of Lahore. Apart from that, after in the first semester, the top three students are also given scholarships based on the marks that they achieve, and they are also funded for the education.
Okay, so I think it's very encouraging for the students and it will encourage them to join this field. So I have also heard that University of Lahore is offering paid house show for the audiology graduates as well.
Yeah, this is the first time we are pioneers in that, and our dean, Dr. Gilani sir, has been very kind in working towards it and getting it approved by the university administration. The first time somebody is offering house jobs, like just like medical students have for audiology students, already graduates, audiology graduates.
And will it be paid?
It will be paid.
Okay, great to know this. Sir, I have also heard that University of Lahore has taken over a few social security hospitals and for the training of their students.
Yeah, this recently we have signed an MOU and we already started setting up clinics over there. As far as audiology is concerned, we have it's a inpatient, or both of them are inpatient facilities, 200 to 300 bed hospitals, but we are offering our services at the OPD level, and in the OPD we are at two of the hospitals. We have already started setting up audiology clinics with with fully certified audiologists who will be providing those services and overseen by obviously by the University of Lahore and ourselves.
So, sir, all of this is very much encouraging. So, all of us are looking towards a very positive future of audiology in Pakistan. So, I would encourage our fresh graduates to look into the prospects of audiology, and I would encourage them to join this program, especially at the University of Lahore.
One thing I would like to add here, that whoever gets to know about this program through social media or wherever, however, they should spread the word. Yeah. Education in audiology is very important because people don't know about audiology. So spreading the word will be very important, so that socially, if you have YouTube or whatever you have that social media, just spread it so that everyone knows about it and they can benefit from our program.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Atif. It was a very fruitful discussion, and I hope it will give much insight for our fresh graduates. And thanks for coming here, and thank you.